Hi there, welcome to Lifeline with Comfort. I got a message that was very interesting and I'm about to address it in this video. The question says, what investment plan can I do for my son aside savings account? If this is your first time on Lifeline, welcome to Lifeline with Comfort. Lifeline with Comfort is a program designed to equip, inspire, empower and motivate you to awaken the giant within you. And we are doing it in three key aspects or three key ways: through your faith, your family and your finance. On today's episode, we're zooming on your finances. Before we continue, I'd like to show you something the Bible said in the book of 2 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 14. The Bible said, "Now for the third time I am ready to visit you. I will not burden you financially because I do not want what is yours, not your money or your possessions, but you. For children are not responsible to save up for their parents, but parents for their children." And surprisingly, you can link everything we do on daily basis to the scriptures. Today, I'm going to look at two key ways that you can have an investment plan for your children. Just two of them when we return. Of you, welcome back. I know a couple of you may know about ISA account, and so for that reason I would just jump to the two major ones I would love to discuss. But if you don't know anything about ISA, you can drop a comment below and make your questions very clear. Ask me and I could do a video covering that for you. However, I want to start with the child SIPPS account. Child SIPPS accounts allow parents to pay into a pension for their child from the moment they are born, like adult pensions. Child SIPPS are eligible for 20% tax relief, I beg your pardon, meaning that you only have to pay in 2,800 per year to receive 3,600 back. As mentioned earlier, the SIPPS are incredibly attractive. If you are the kind of person who really enjoys planning ahead, then you can jump on this one because it will be good. Imagine having to save 2,800 per year to receive 3,600 back. Based on my calculation, that is you making about about 800 pounds back on it. Like all pension plans, however, they cannot access this until they're 55 at the earliest. But this is something that can be a massive investment that you as a parent can do for your child. The next one and the second one is a trust. A trust is a legal agreement where one or more trustees are made legally responsible for holding assets for the beneficiaries. In this case, your child or children. The assets such as land, money, buildings, shares, and even antiques are placed in trust for the beneficiary, and the trustees are responsible for managing the trust and carrying your wishes as they said law. There are two types of trust: bare trust, which give the child an absolute right to access their money at the age of 18, and discretionary trust, which allows trustees to decide when and how much to pay out. For more information about the trust, can I refer you quickly to the HMRC website? Is the HMRC website. Now, when you get to the HMRC website, there's an overview that explains how the trust work. If you look at it, it explains who the stiller is, the trustee and the beneficiary, and you can have a proper look on this. What are trusts for? Sometimes you need it to control and protect family assets. Number two, when someone is too young, like in the case of your child now, to handle their affairs. The third thing, a trust or reason for trust, is when someone cannot handle their affairs because they are incapacitated. The fourth thing is to pass on assets while you're still alive. The fifth, to pass an asset when you die. That's a will trust. And the sixth, under the rules of inheritance, if someone dies without a will in England and Wales. I am in Scotland, but this can be helpful for everyone. So if you go to this website, now I am just giving advice on this, and this is not a legal advice. This is not a guaranteed advice, and so I would appreciate it if you can go and do your research before you make your decision. While I was thinking about this video again, I went to some companies that can help you, that can speak with you and guide you through the process. They are legally registered and they can guide you. One is Fidelity International. Now, I have no benefits for talking about any of these companies. I'm not sponsored on this video. However, I am recommending this for you because they can help you understand investment for beginners. They can speak to you over the phone and help you to speak about to register your child, particularly if you want the child SIPPS account. There's a story I'd like to say very briefly as I round up. A little story to provoke you to action and start an investment for your young ones. There is a man called Warren Buffett, the 7th richest man on earth, as at April 2021. He was influenced as a young child by Benjamin Graham. As a matter of fact, at 11, he had bought 3 shares of Cities Services. Warren Buffett, alongside with a lot of investors all over the world, have shown us the benefits of starting investments as soon as you can. My father in the Lord, Dr. Sam Maga, always says something: start with what you have. Start where you are and start now. There's no point procrastinating. Whatever it is, make contact with any of these investing organizations or companies that can help you and start something for your children. God bless you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, kindly click the subscription button, turn on your notification, like and share with someone who will need this information. God bless you mightily in Jesus' mighty name. Amen.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Adejoh, a minister, a wife, a mother, a marriage coach, an entrepreneur, and of course, your host on Lifeline with Comfort. This channel is designed to equip, inspire, empower, and motivate you to awaken the giant within you. I'm posting life-changing videos every single week. As a monthly bonus, my husband and I will be hanging out with you live every 3rd Tuesday of the month, speaking on relationship and marriage. On this channel, you'll be propelled to awaken the giant within you in 3 key areas: in your faith, family, and finance. If one or all of these things I have said resonates with you, why not click the subscription button, turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any new video I post. Also, I would love for you to leave a comment below. I want to know you. I want us to be friends. Lifeline with Comfort. Awaken the giant.